Are you a Jamaican with aspirations of success, either planning to migrate or already residing abroad? There are various ways to succeed in achieving your goals, whether they involve gaining financial independence, pursuing a higher education, or caring for your family without any difficulties. Our aim is to assist you in maximizing your opportunities and surmounting any challenges you may encounter as a member of the Jamaican Diaspora. Welcome to the book, Thriving Abroad, your ultimate guide to prospering in the Jamaican Diaspora. Stay with us until the end, and we will give you details about this special publication. Let's focus on this episode of Impacting Jamaica, where we'll explore the incredible opportunities awaiting Jamaican immigrants in countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Let's dive in. The Jamaican Diaspora is a vibrant and robust community spread across the globe. With over 3 million people calling themselves members of the Jamaican Diaspora, it's a testament to the rich culture and resilience of the Jamaican people. Living outside our homeland presents incredible benefits, but it's impossible for everyone to migrate. At the same time, it's undeniable that no matter where we go, our love and passion for our home country remains steadfast. Jamaica to the world. Now let's examine some of the benefits of leaving Jamaica. What are yours? Like this channel and share with us in the comment box. We're eager to receive your feedback. Benefit number 1, professional growth. Living in the diaspora opens up vast opportunities for professional development. Your skills and talents can flourish in medicine, education, business, technology, finance, or the arts, leading to career advancement and success. Often, you can achieve your goals faster while away. Benefit number 2, quality of life. The diaspora provides a higher standard, including improved infrastructure, healthcare, and education. These benefits contribute to a safe and comfortable environment where you and your family can flourish. The diaspora facilitates access to cutting-edge healthcare facilities and systems that provide superior medical care. This ensures that you and your family can access high-quality preventative services, specialized treatments, and reliable emergency services, enhancing your general health and peace of mind. Benefit number 3, cultural enrichment. While living abroad, you can experience diverse cultures and expand your horizons. You embrace the multicultural fabric of these nations while preserving your Jamaican heritage and contributing to the rich tapestry of global diversity. It's like bringing a piece of home overseas. Have we touched on what you regard as a primary benefit yet? Stay with us. We will likely get there. Benefit number 4, entrepreneurial spirit. The diaspora provides an environment conducive to entrepreneurial endeavors. With access to funding, mentorship, and a diverse customer base, you can turn your business dreams into reality and make a lasting impact. Dozens of Jamaicans are running successful businesses in diverse fields across the diaspora, and they get tremendous support from their colleague Jamaicans. They support 2 Jamaican-based companies operating in the diaspora, such as the Jamaican National Group, the Victoria Mutual Group, the National Baking Company, and the Grace Kennedy Group of companies. Additionally, Jamaicans abroad invest billions of dollars in their home country in real estate and the stock market, among other sectors. That's loyalty to the country. Prime Minister Andrew Holness notes that Jamaica's value outside Jamaica is significant, and he wants more investment from Jamaicans outside of the country.
We also appreciate the philanthropy of our diaspora, and we continue to engage them in this regard. But as the government continues its efforts towards recovery in the pandemic, we also want to engage the diaspora in investment. We want to bring the diaspora here for business. We want our Jamaicans to see Jamaica as a destination for business.
Benefit number 5, education and learning opportunities. Countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom boast world-class educational institutions, although, like other places, there are challenges. Many Jamaicans take advantage of scholarships, research opportunities, and cutting-edge resources to broaden their knowledge and unlock their full potential. And, as we all know, some excel both academically and professionally. I'm sure you can share some names with us in the fields in which they excel. Tell us in the comment box below. Here's the big one. Benefit number 6, giving back. Living in the diaspora affords you opportunities for personal and professional success and permits you to significantly impact your adoptive country and Jamaica. One of the most significant contributions you now make is through remittances. Listen to the businessman and CEO of the Grace Kennedy Group, Don Webby.
As we all know, the diaspora is of strategic importance to Jamaica, as it represents a reservoir of social and financial capital, which must be optimized for national development. As somebody, and Grace Burnett is here in the remittance business, in 2020, when we were going through COVID-19, remittances actually grew by over 20%. So our brothers and sisters living outside of Jamaica, they were sending funds to their loved ones in Jamaica. So the remittances actually increased opposition leader Golden from 2.91 billion to 3.3 billion. And if you think about that, at the same time, we had a significant fall off in tourism earnings. And I said to myself, without the strength of our diaspora and their undying love for our country, we could have faced a balance of payment challenge.
For 2022, remittance inflows to Jamaica amounted to 3.44 billion United States dollars. The performance follows 2021, with inflows of 3.45 billion United States dollars. For January to February 2023, remittance inflows amounted to 496 million United States dollars. Jamaicans overseas have also contributed significantly to the education sector, primarily through dozens of alumni associations, and healthcare, including the adoption of clinics and health centers across the country. We salute those who give unselfishly year after year. Investing in education empowers future generations and equips them with the tools necessary for success. Your support for the health sector helps to enhance access to high-quality services and contribute to the well-being of thousands of people across Jamaica. Let's refocus on the book Thriving Abroad, please. In it, you'll find the guidance and support to make the most of the incredible opportunities where you are. This book has everything from avoiding common mistakes to building a successful career, nurturing your well-being, and preserving your cultural heritage. Written by journalist Garfield Grandison, who has spent over 25 years as editor-in-chief and general manager of the Gleaner Company Media Limited in Kingston, Jamaica, this book is a culmination of his extensive experience and deep understanding of the Jamaican diaspora. Said Grandison, "I wrote this book with one goal in mind: to empower you to build a prosperous and satisfying life outside of Jamaica. So grab your copy of Thriving Abroad, Maximizing Opportunities and Overcoming Obstacles in the Jamaican Diaspora, 12 Mistakes to Avoid." It is now available on Amazon in the Kindle version. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos celebrating Jamaica and Jamaicans. With Thriving Abroad, you're never alone in this exciting adventure. Embrace the opportunities, overcome the obstacles, and create a life that exceeds your expectations. Get your copy of Thriving Abroad today.